Hi, Sam here from MTI-TV. Today we're going to talk sustainability. This is a big issue in current markets right now. MAPEI is on the cutting edge of sustainability. And I'd like to tell you that I know all about it, but I don't. But what I do know is I know the right person to ask. So today I have Brittany Storm, our sustainability manager, and she's going to answer questions and guide us through the sustainability world. Brittany, thank you for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
All right, so Brittany, a couple of questions about sustainability. First off, what the heck does it mean? There is so many different things that people claim as sustainable and things like that. In our business, how does sustainability apply?
So sustainability means different things to different people. Some look at sustainability from an environmental impact. Some look at sustainability from a human health impact. It all depends on what you're looking at. At MAPEI, we try to address both sides of sustainability on the environmental side, watching our environmental impacts, as well as our impacts on the installers as well as end users.
Wow. All right, so that's important. The end users are the installers in our case for the most part. And the one thing I notice is installers aren't getting any younger, and we want to keep the good ones that are around a little bit longer until the next generation catches up. So by making good products that aren't going to make them sick or hurt them or harm them health-wise, this is a really good idea. So now the other thing is I see all these different manufacturers and they have all of these different labels that claim I'm this sustainable or I'm that sustainable. Is there one governing body, or how do I know which one to follow?
So a sustainability product at MAPEI, we have one product can have up to 7 attributes or sustainable certifications. And that's governed by what's being asked of us from green building standards and certification programs like LEED or the Living Building Challenge or the Well Building Standard. They have a set of criteria that a product should have. Not all of our products will have the exact criteria that they're looking for, but they're all optional. And so we have products that have all 7 attributes, or we have products that have less than that. It all depends on specifically where these products are applied, and we try to get as many attributes or certifications as possible.
Wow. So some products are going to have more than others. I know VOCs in the past was always a big thing. This is all part of the sustainable movement too?
Yes. So in the past, in older versions of the Green Building Standard, they were focused on environmental impacts, such as recycled content or regional criteria and VOC content. That has now shifted to more emphasis on VOC emissions as well as content. So we have to go through third-party testing and certification to show that our VOC emissions are low. We've also seen a shift from the environmental side to now the human health side, where material ingredients, like what goes into a product, is also very important.
Okay, so third party, you're meaning outside vendors or outside companies are making these assessments and saying, yes, you do have low VOCs. It's not just us walking around sniffing a bucket and going, I don't smell anything. It's actually certifiable by an outside vendor. Is that correct?
Absolutely. We have to do that. It covers us from what's called greenwashing. So we're not making any false claims. We have it backed up by a third party to show our customers that what we're saying is true. So we have to go through certifications process, which includes testing for each of our products.
How many of our products, for instance, from the VOC standpoint, how many products meet the low or no VOC standard?
We have over 300 products that have VOC emission certification right now.
Wow, 300. I didn't know we made that many products.
More to come in 2021, I'm excited to say.
All right. So That's a lot of information. Thank you for sharing that with us. There's a lot more, and I have a feeling this is going to require a part 2 at some point in time when the rest of us catch up to what we all just talked about. Brittany, thank you so much. I hope you're safe. I hope you're healthy. And thank you for being part of the MAPEI team and for leading the sustainability movement at MAPEI. We appreciate you. Guys, thank you for watching this edition of MTI-TV. If you liked what you just saw, ding that bell down below and click the icon button. And again, thank you for watching this edition of MTI-TV.